things going with your copywriting business? Are you working on it right now? Oh, hey. Yeah, I'm fine. It's just, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've been trying forever, and I just can't seem to land my first copywriting client. It's like nobody wants to take me seriously. Ooh, yeah, I've been there. It can be tough in the beginning, but trust me, you can turn this around. You just have to make sure that people can identify you as a copywriter. Let's take a look at your online presence. Online presence, I mean, I'm on social media, but I mostly just post personal stuff. Yeah, that's definitely where we need to begin. You've got to optimize your social profiles so that people know you're a copywriter. Update your bio to talk about what you do, who you serve, and how you get them results. I guess I could do that. I don't want to come across as braggy or anything. You're not bragging, you're showcasing your skills. How will clients know what you do if you never talk about it? Make sure you mention where people can learn more about your services. Okay. Like this? Yeah. Drop your call scheduler right there. What do you think? Yes. Perfect. It's great that you have some personal content on there too. People like working with people. Just make sure your profile images are nice and clear. Got it. Yes. Now create a few posts every week that give value that will help the type of person you want to work with. I can do that. Consistency is key. Post regularly and interact with the people who engage. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients for collaborations or work projects. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I already feel so much more confident about this. I think this is going to make a huge difference. You've got this. Building your online presence is just the beginning though. Keep working on those copywriting skills. Soon, people are going to take notice. You sure know a lot about this stuff. Where did you learn all this? I learned it from Christa. She built a freelance copywriting business from the ground up and has written for and coached with some of the biggest names in the online marketing space. Now she teaches other wordy mamas like us how to do it too. You should totally give her a follow.